everyone, this is Root Trimmer, the Root Trimmer garden product or the best friend of your plant. Today I want to talk about Humidity Dome. Why Humidity Domes are so popular for seed starting. If you are starting seeds, using a Humidity Dome can seriously boost your success. This little greenhouse style cover creates the ideal environment for germination. Why gardeners are so obsessed with the Humidity Dome? The first one reason is that they keep moisture locked in. Humidity Dome trap moisture inside, so your seed starting mix doesn't dry out too quickly. This steady humidity keeps seeds hydrated. This is what they need to sprout strong and healthy. The second reason is that they create a mini greenhouse effect. Domes help hold in both heat and moisture, mimicking the cozy conditions of a greenhouse. Extra warmth speeds up germination, especially for heat-loving plants like tomatoes and peppers. Then let's talk about trees. This is a standard 10-20 trees with a tall Humidity Dome. 10-20 is the golden standard for serious growers. Why 10-20? The name comes from their size, 10-inch plus 20. They are super popular with home gardeners, greenhouse professionals, and even commercial farmers because they give you a plenty of room to start a bunch of seedlings at once. They work great with the plug trees, nursery pots, or even as a microgreen trees to grow the salad greens for your sandwich. And they are super versatile. The first one, Humidity Dome tree, I want to share is this one. It has a super tall Humidity Dome. It's about 7.3 inches high, and the taller design traps even more moisture and warmth, making it a great environment for seedlings before you transplant them to your garden bed. You will get stronger and healthier plants, especially awesome to grow mushrooms as well as plants like basil, eggplants, and sunflowers, all of which love steady warmth and humidity. The second one I want to share is Humidity Dome tree has a 3.7-inch high dome, which is perfect for growing microgreens. It even comes a little handle on top of this lid, and it is super easy to check on your plants. So whether you are starting your garden or trying to grow microgreens, Humidity Domes are a great helper. And then I want to show the load bearing of these two kind of seedling trees. This is a 3 kg dumbbell. Then I will put it on the 7.3-inch tall dome. Let's check whether it will crack. Okay, there's no problem. So the Humidity Dome quality is really good. Then let's check the tree. This is the standard 10-20 trees, and I will put this heavy dumbbell on the bottom of this 10-20 trees, and there is also no problem for you to bury this kind of heavy dumbbell. And then is this one, and put it on the top. Alright, there is no problem for it bearing it. The 7.3-inch tall Humidity Dome you can put different type of small little small nursery pots in it. You can put all your different type of nursery pots like this one, 2 inches to 3 inches, 3.2 inches tall, and this one, let me see, this one is about 4 inches tall. This is the tallest one I have today. It is about 5 inches tall and with a little seedlings. Let's put it in a tree. And we also have different type of nursery pot. Let's put it in this 10-20 trees. Or you can put all of your different type of small nursery pots, and if you have different type of seedlings in all of this nursery pots, they even need more humidity and moisture and heat and warmth. You can put our 7.3-inch tall humidity dome on the top. Alright, there is no problem like this. So you can use them with this little nursery pots. Alright, here is to this share. If you are interested in this kind of super tall humidity dome, 10-20 trees, and with this 7.6-inch tall humidity dome trees, you can find the Amazon link on the bottom, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any questions about this type of high humidity dome tree, you can leave your comments, and we will add more root chamber gardening product every week. So see you next time.